Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Guide. Today we will discuss more about this MSc Forensic Science Delhi University 2020 entrance exam question papers. Let's start with these MCQs. Let's start with the first question. Here the first question is the branch of forensic science which uses the insect as a evidence is the option A forensic ballistics, option B forensic chemistry, option 3 DNA typing, or option 4 forensic entomology. The correct answer for this is option 4th, this that is forensic entomology. Let's move toward the next question. The second question is forensic odontology. Okay, this forensic odontology is a branch of forensic science which deals with A. Insects, 2. Bite marks and teeth, 3. Bone study, or 4th. Fingerprints. The correct answer for this is option 2. The bite marks and the teeth. The third question here is every contact leaves a trace. A basic principle of forensic science was given by these are the scientists name. First is the Joseph Bell, second Raymond Locard, third Edmond Locard, fourth is the Matthew Orleaf. The correct answer for this is the option 3, the Edmond Locard. It is famous Locard principle, that is every contact leaves a trace. Next question, question 4th. Trisomy 18 is a chromosomal abnormality causing 1. Down syndrome, 2. Patau syndrome, 3rd. Edwards syndrome, 4th. Jacob syndrome. The correct answer for this is option 3. The Edwards syndrome. This is a trisomy 18, and the Down syndrome is basically the trisomy of the chromosome number 21. And if you know the this Patau syndrome and Jacob syndrome, trisomy or other things, you can comment in the comment box. Let's move towards the next question. Next question is the milk teeth in humans have the formula. Basically asking the what is the formula of these milk teeth in the human. Is it 2102, 2012, 2120, or 2021? The correct answer for this is option A, 2102. Next question is FTIR stands for, we need to expand this FTIR. Option A, the Fourier transform IR spectroscopy. Option B, Fourier transmittance IR spectroscopy. Option 3, Former transform IR spectroscopy. Option 4, Fourier transmission IR spectroscopy. Basically, this FTIR is used in the biophysics mostly, and the correct answer for this is the option A, that is Fourier transform IR spectroscopy. Next question. Next question is the seventh question. The scientist who gave chromatography concept was option A Berzelius, option B Lavoisier, option C Schwed, option 4 Avogadro. The correct answer for this is the option 3, that is Schwed. It is the Russian botanist who gave this concept of the chromatography. Next, let's move toward the next question. Next question, eighth question. Beer-Lambert law gives a linear correlation with the positive gradient between 1. Absorbance and the concentration, Second, absorbance and the wavelength. 3. Molar extinction coefficient and the absorbance. Fourth, molar extinction coefficient and the concentration. The correct answer for this is the option 1, absorbance and the concentration, because the Beer-Lambert law is the absorbance equal to molar extinction coefficient into concentration into the length. Next, let's move towards the next question. Of question 9, that is nanogram measures the factor in, that is 10 raised to power minus 3, 10 raised to power minus 9, 10 raised to power minus 12 or 10 raised to power minus 10. The correct answer for this is the option 2, that is 10 raised to power minus 9 is the nanogram, and 10 raised to minus 10 is the, comment below the answer. 10 raised to power minus 10, what is it, and the 10 raised to power minus 12 is what is this. Okay, let's move towards the 10th question. 10th question is the term inborn error of metabolism was coined by 1. Charles Darwin, 2nd. Francis Galton, 3rd. Alfred Russel Wallace, 4th. A. E. Gerald. The correct answer for this is option 4th, A. E. Gerald. If you know some of the inborn error of metabolism disease, you can comment below what are disease you know about this inborn error of metabolism. One, I can give you one example, that is phenylketonuria. You can comment below the others inborn error of metabolism. Thank you very much. We will discuss more questions in the next video. Please stay tuned and subscribe my channel for the further more videos. Thank you so much.